not. He might have said it, but I don't know.
You don't know, but
Yeah.
you are ready to contest that election.
I have not decided. I will let it be known because they are probable candidate. No, it is said there.
Uh-huh.
They didn't say that they have shortlisted 3 or 4 candidates.
But your name also included there, no?
Yeah, my name may be included. Yeah.
Then what is your stand? You are going to elect. You are going.
That we will decide. That we will decide. Let the party decide. No, party decide and let them select. Then I will decide.
We had a chat with acting president of UGDP, Radharao Gracious, and he told us that Mathani Saldanha would be their candidate.
No, see, Mathani is absolutely right in not commenting. On this aspect, because so far party has not formally or officially announced who the candidate is. But as we know that Mathani is our candidate and he will be contesting, and we shall be making an official announcement in the next few days. We are a regional party. If there are smaller groups who would like to merge with us, I think we would welcome that, because finally we find is in Goa today, our efforts are not bearing fruit because there are too many small factions fighting for the same cause under different banners. It would be an ideal situation if everyone works under a common banner for the common good of Goa. And we would welcome any small group, NGOs, whoever wants to come along with us to fight for Goa.
Our reporter in Panje, Devidas Kamli, and in Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
With around 1 month left for the 15th Lok Sabha election, lot of speculation is going on with the candidature of Congress and NCP for the North and South Goa seat. Chief Minister remains non-committal and is looking at the High Command for further instructions. Till now, nothing seems to be confirmed, but coalition partners are in the race for the seat.
Senior Congressman Shambhu Bhau Bandekar says North Goa seat for Lok Sabha is very vital.
स्वतः आम्ही कार्यकर्त्यांनी, आम्ही काँग्रेस नेत्यांनी आमच्या अध्यक्षापासून मुख्यमंत्र्यापर्यंत आमची ही रिक्वेस्ट त्यांना घातलेली असा. अध्यक्षांनी त्यांना आमच्या सहमती दिल्या, मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी सहमती दिल्या, आणि जे शिष्टमंडळ आमची अध्यक्षा श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी यांच्याकडे गेले त्यांना आम्ही हो नॉर्थ गोव्याचं सीट काँग्रेसीक म्हणून किती महत्त्वाचं असा भविष्यकाळच्या विधानसभेच्या संदर्भात हे आम्ही तिका पटवून दिला हा. ती कन्विन्स झाली असा आणि म्हाका गॅरंटी असा की उत्तर गोव्याचो हो सीट आमकां काँग्रेसीक मेळटलो.
Bandekar indicates strong reactions within Congress party if Nirmala Sawant enters NCP.
सावंत ही पहिली आमच्या काँग्रेस पक्षाची अध्यक्ष, ती तिकीट आपल्याक मेळना म्हणून काँग्रेस पक्षाचो त्याग करून गेल्ली असा. अशा संदर्भात राष्ट्रवादीन जर तिका तिकीट दिल्ली जाल्यार आमी तिच्या खातीर काम करचें की ना याचो जाप आमकां हायकमांडाक विचारचो पडटलो, आणि त्याचे परिणाम, दुष्परिणाम, सुपरिणाम कितें जातात हो सगळो आढावो आमकां हायकमांडाक दिवन मागीर हायकमांडचें जें कितें वक्तव्य आसा त्या पद्धतीन आमकां हांगा वावरचें पडटलें, आणि त्या प्रमाणे आमकां कार्यकर्त्यांक तयार करचें पडटलें.
According to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, party is more important than candidate for parliament elections.
Lok Sabha, this matter is with the High Command. So once they decide, we have already started campaigning. We have started.
Who will be the candidate?
No, it is vote for party. Candidate is not that important for parliament seat. It is always vote for party.
We have news around that if Congress give ticket to Alex Sikdera.
This is not in my domain. The tickets and all are decided by High Command.
There is if ticket.
I don't comment on any news.
Alex Sikdera.
I don't comment on such.
Surendra Sirsat is also waiting for the decision from High Command regarding North Goa seat.
आता राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचो उमेदवार कोण आसतलो हेच्या पयलीं एक आमी मुद्दाम सांगूंक सोदता तुमकां ते हे की राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसची आमची कार्यकारिणी जी आसा गोंयची, त्या कार्यकारिणीच्या बैठकीन 5-6 नांवां धाडून दिल्लेले आसा हायकमांडा कडेन विचारार्थ. आता ह्या दिसांनी पक्षा भायल्या लोकांचे नांवूय सुचयले गेल्लेले आसा. न्हाय म्हटले जरी जाय तरी निर्मला सावंतांचे नांव फुडें येयलेले आसा. त्यो पक्षाच्यो सदस्य आसा काय ना, तांकां आतां सदस्य करून घेतले काय ना, हो शेवटी सगळो प्रश्न जो हायकमांडा कडेन आसा.
Our reporters from Panji, Devidas Kamli, Laukik Shilkar, Ganesh Hotkar and Sachin Amloskar.
You can express your opinion through your own channel. Send SMS on 59898. Should BJP and MGP have alliance in Lok Sabha polls? A. Yes. B. No. C. Can't say or don't know. You can send your opinion by typing GOEMLS space and your option A, B, C and send it to 59898.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Election Commission of India has issued guidelines to the Finance Department of Government of Goa that instead of presenting full budget in the House, government should take vote on account in Assembly for 3 to 4 months amidst Code of Conduct of Parliamentary election. Full budget will be presented in monsoon session in the month of July 2009.
As the Code of Conduct is in operation, only vote on accounts will be presented in the Assembly session commencing from 23rd March 2009. Full budget will be held in the State Assembly in the month of July 2009. On the backdrop of Lok Sabha poll, Election Commission of India has issued the directives to all the states' finance department regarding the proceedings of the budget session. Joint Chief Electoral Officer KB Surjuse read out the directives of Election Commission of India.
As regard to this presentation of budget to the House, as per clarification sought by the Finance Department, Government of Goa, the Election Commission of India now issued guidelines, and in that guideline they said that the Commission would like to point out that the prevalent convention that is followed in most of the state is that instead of presenting full budget, only a vote on account is taken for 3-4 months. In cases where a general election is imminent or when the process of general election has been announced and the model code of conduct is in operation, it contributes to a healthy democratic practice. So this is the decision of the Commission we are going to convey to the Finance Department, Government of Goa, and this letter already marked to the Chief Secretary of the concerned states to take appropriate action as per the contention I have read out before you.
Only for Goa or for
all the states.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath stated that no intimation has been received by his office.
Budget session is going to be held from 23rd of this month. Now whether we will have full-fledged presentation of budget or we will have interim budget, that will depend. We have already asked opinion of the Election Commission. Once we receive something from them, then we will be able to take a decision. I have not received anything.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Oh, it's back. The garbage issue in the capital city has again raised its head. Confusion has arisen once again between CCP and hoteliers. Here, have a look.
Oh, it's garbage, garbage and garbage again. But one thing you all notice, this garbage bin outside the hotels are full. Why? When we contacted the hoteliers, they refused to speak on camera, but off the record said that CCP has not collected garbage for past 4 days. We met Commissioner of CCP Melvin Vaz, but looks like he was confused whether it was duty of CCP to collect the hotel garbage or not.
Until we have got a site to dump our garbage or to segregate garbage, and until all the infrastructure is in place, that they should help us out by engaging a private contractor who will lift up their garbage, which they were doing.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.